Hi friends, in today's session we'll start with chapter number 1 solid state DPP. Fine, so आप सभी के पास DPP PDF form में available है. So we'll start with the question number 1. If the germanium crystallizes in a same way as diamond, then which of this following statement is not correct? Is not correct पूछा हुआ है. Mind well. अब सभी को पता है diamond is a covalent solid, graphite and diamond. So A is right answer. B is also right answer. All the octahedral void are occupied. That is completely wrong. Just because diamond is tetrahedrally located. So that's why C, Calcutta is not correct. Question number 2. The cubic lattice of a metal. मोलर मास दिया हुआ है. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए. सबसे पहले लिखिए M is equal to 63.55. Edge length, that is A, is 362 picometer. Picometer once again into 10 to the power minus 12. Density D is given. So find out the type of the cell. Type of the cell means Z is equal to ढूंढना है. Z is equal to either 2 होगा या फिर either 4 हो सकता है. Let's calculate. So we have a formula, density D is equal to Z into M divided by Na into V. Make a form of Z, put all this value, simplify कीजिए, multiply कीजिए, and you get Z is equal to 4, which is FCC unit. Third, really very easy, doping of AgCl crystal with CdCl2, that is a substitutional cationic vacancy. C, Calcutta is your right answer. Fourth, a metal crystallized in two cubic phase FCC and BCC whose unit cell length are 3.5 angstrom and 3.1 angstrom respectively. The ratio of the density, that is D1 by D2, is equal to A2 cube divided by A1 cube into Z1 divided by Z2. Put all this value, you get the answer. So that is 3 divided by 3.5 cube multiplied by 4 by 2. You get your answer 1.46. Question number 5. Coordination number of Zn plus 2 and S minus 2 in a crystal structure of rutesite. Rutesite is FCC structure. अब FCC structure है तो Z is equal to 4. So your answer A, Ahmedabad. 4, 4 is your right answer. Next, sixth. The coordination number X, that is fill in the blanks, each of in KBR is changed to Y dash by dash. आपको 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए, अच्छे से ऑप्शन पढ़ लीजिए, क्वेश्चन को 2 बार रीड कर लीजिए, then we'll start the solution. So answer is C, Calcutta, means X is equal to 6 to Y is equal to 8, applying high pressure. Justification: the increase in the pressure result in decrease in the size of ion, that is R plus is to R minus increase, and the coordination number is also increases. Question number 7. The radius of Li plus ion is 60 picometer and that of F minus is 136 picometer. Structure of LiF and coordination number is. So R plus plus R minus ratio is 60 divided by 136 means 0.441. Hence LiF has NaCl structure with coordination number 6. The number of carbon atom per unit cell of diamond in unit cell is, obviously that is 8, just because 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So basically it's 1 plus 3 plus 4. So you get answer is 8. So diamond is like ZnS. In diamond, cubic unit cell having the 8 corner. So 8 corner into 1 by 8, that is 1. 6 faces are there. 6 multiplied by half, that is called as 3. And 4 more atom inside the structure. So that's why 8 into 1 by 8 is 1. Plus 6 into 1 by 2, that is called 3. Plus 4, total 8. Question number 9. Given data extract कर लीजिए. Sodium crystal is 2.165 into 10 to the power 3 kg. Mid raised to minus 3, while X-ray density, दो density दी हुई है, the fraction of unoccupied site ढूंढना है आपको. So once again, density दो दी हुई है, given data extract कीजिए. Let's start the solution. So fraction of unoccupied site in NaCl crystal is 1 minus दोनों density का ratio ले लीजिए. टेक LCM, simplify कीजिए, calculate कीजिए. Your answer is A Ahmedabad, that is 5.96 into 10 to the power minus 3. Question number 10. Which of the following metal oxide is antiferromagnetic in nature? And option are A MnO2, TiO2, VO2, CrO2. हमने सभी के एक एक दो एग्जाम्पल याद रखे थे. एंटीफेरो का एग्जाम्पल था MnO2. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ दिस फॉलोइंग सॉलिड इज नॉट एन इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टर? Mg, TiO, I2, NH2O. योर आंसर इज C कलकत्ता, दैट इज I2. 12th, R plus plus R minus ratio of ZNS is 0.402. Pick up the false statement. चारों के चारों स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. एंड चारों के चारों स्टेटमेंट पढ़ने के बाद आपको क्लियरली लगेगा D del E is your wrong answer. That is Zn plus 2 ion is too large to fit into octahedral void of S minus 2. 13. देखिए टेबल में से क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. मैंने क्लियरली बताया था कि टेबल के अंदर ये अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यूज अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा. ऐसा सेम क्वेश्चन आपको गुड सेट में भी अवेलेबल होता है कई बार. सो दैट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन टेबल. 13 टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर दिया हुआ टेबल अगर आप अच्छे से फोकस करोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि अल्फा बीटा एंड गेमा का रिलेशनशिप क्या है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज A Ahmedabad. 14th, the pure crystalline compound on being hit gradually first forms the turbid liquid at this constant temperature and still at higher temperature turbidity completely disappears. The behavior is, ये कौन सा है? It's a allotropic crystal. B, liquid crystal. C, isomeric crystal. D, isomorphous crystal. So 14th is B Bombay. It's a property of liquid crystal. To get N type of semiconductor from silicon, it should be doped. N type and P type, trivalent and pentavalent. तो A and B clearly निकल जाएगा. So answer D Delhi is your right answer. 16th, the second order of Bragg equation. Bragg equation क्या है? N lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. सारे के सारे वैल्यूज दी हुई है. एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए, पुट इट इनटू दिस फॉर्मूला, कैलकुलेट कीजिए एंड यू गेट द आंसर. Question number 16, N lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. That is 2 multiplied by 1 Armstrong is equal to 2 into D sin 60. Simplify, make a form of D. Simplify कीजिए. Your answer is D Delhi. Question 17. Once again important one for good set also. Which of this following oxide shows electrical property? एक्सट्रीम थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चन. न्यूमेरिकल आप इजीली कर सकते हो, बट थियोरेटिकल अगर आपने लाइन बाय लाइन अच्छे से एनसीईआरटी पढ़ी है तो ही आपको पता चलेगा. योर आंसर इज डी दिल्ली, दैट इज CrO2. 18th, once again a numerical. Aluminium, whose molar mass is 27, crystallized in this cubic system with a cell edge of 4.05 Armstrong. Its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Determine the unit cell type of calculator, radius of AL. Fine. So कौन सा टाइप है सबसे पहले वो भी ढूंढना है एंड रेडियस भी ढूंढना है. तो सबसे पहले Z फाइंड आउट कीजिए डेंसिटी वाली फॉर्मूला से, एंड आफ्टर Z you put a formula for radius and get the answer. So let's start with the density formula. Density is equal to Z into M divided by N0 into A cube. Put all this value and make a form of Z. So you get your answer Z is equal to 4 means FCC. और FCC के लिए रेडियस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 4R is equal to A into under root 2. Make a form of R and your answer is 1.432 Armstrong. So your answer is D, Delhi. 19th statement on your screen. स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से पढ़िए, 2 बार चेक कीजिए. D of H into K into L is equal to A divided by H square plus K square plus L square raised to half. Hence D100 is equal to 1. So D110 is equal to 1 upon under root 2 and D111 is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So your answer is A, Ahmedabad. For a cubic geometry, the limiting R plus is to R minus is. 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए. आप सभी को बोला था कि क्यूबिक के लिए याद रखिएगा इट्स ऑलवेज ऑप्शन सी ग्रेटर देन 0.731. 21 ट्रू एंड फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट कौन सा करेक्ट है वो ढूंढ निकालना है. तो ऑब्वियसली स्टेटमेंट ए इज योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दिस 22. वंस अगेन ए न्यूमेरिकल वन. स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से पढ़िए. इट्स अ बीसीसी स्ट्रक्चर और बीसीसी के लिए आपको आर की वैल्यू पता होनी चाहिए. किस हिसाब से फॉर्मूला है फॉर बीसीसी? डायगोनल इज ए इंटू अंडर रूट 3. लेट्स पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू एंड गेट द आंसर. फॉर अ बीसीसी लेटाइस body diagonal is equal to a into under root 3. So the distance between the two oppositely charged ion is equal to a by 2 under root 3. a पता है, divide by 2, multiply under root 3 and your answer is 335 picometer means A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. Question number 23. How many unit cells are present in a cubic shape of ideal crystal of NaCl of mass 1.0 gram? So 23. First you have to find out the number of moles. So number of formula in cubic shape 1 gram is given mass divided by molar mass of NaCl is 58.5 multiplied by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So unit cell is equal to, simplify this and you get your answer 2.57 into 10 to the power 21 unit cells means Delhi is your right answer. 24th, once again it's a straight one. Answer is D, Delhi. The interionic distance for a cesium chloride crystal will be, let's start with the 24th one. 4 option दिए है A, B, C and D. So CaCl is body centered. So D is equal to under root 3A by 2 means C Calcutta. 24 is C Calcutta. 23 is D Delhi. So 25 से लेके 30 तक सारे के सारे थियोरेटिकल है. आई थिंक आप लोगों को खुद से प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. मैं फटाफट आंसर्स चेक करवा लेता हूं. 25 इज सी कलकत्ता, 26 इज बी बॉम्बे, 27 is C Calcutta, 28 is D Delhi, 29 is C Calcutta, 38 is B Bombay. So this is all about your chapter number 1 solid state DPP solution. Next session में ऐसे ही chapter number 2 सॉल्यूशंस की डीपीपी के आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू सो मच.